So hello and welcome to everyone. So we will pick this long composition how to write. So let's get started. Okay, how to provide help to the common man. Okay, so first point, commercialization of the healthcare is a good for people. So firstly, commercialization. You have to write. Okay, and second point, the poor people must be helped financially. And third point, infrastructure is a hospitals is very poor and doctors do not work with much dedication. Nowadays doctors not work with complete dedication. Costly medicines must be reduced. Okay, and six, companies should reduce their prices. Okay, and companies should reduce their prices. Okay, so these points are you are mentioned. Okay, so for a help to the common man. And we all know that in India is a common person faces many problems. Okay, nowadays common man face many problems regarding health. But if we all think similarly, we should all become good doctors. Definitely we are good doctors. So whether we are in a government or the private sector, whether we are a government sector or private sector, doesn't matter. Commercialization of the healthcare is a good for the people who can afford the best care. But some provisions should be made in all private, but some private hospitals made in a private hospital for a poor people, common people and all those who must helped financially. So definitely we should help their poor people. These provisions must may be provided to BPL card holders, persons having low annual salary and similar other people. Infrastructure seen today in a government and the municipal hospitals is very poor. So we can say that nowadays hospitals infrastructure is a very poor and doctors do not work properly. Okay, doctors do not work properly with as a much dedication, do not at their own personal clinics. Sanitization problem are also seen in a public hospitals. Okay, public hospitals is or public hospitals or government hospitals. Okay, and some private hospitals. Okay, so sanitization is the main problem. Okay, government should also have some arrangement for the poor to subsidy costly medicine, reduce costly medicines price. Okay, they may do so making pharmaceutical companies to reduce their prices suitably. So pharmaceuticals companies, okay, pharmaceuticals companies take steps and reduce their prices. Okay, so first, how to provide help to the common man. And second, being a 18 joys and responsibility. And third question, our third question means of stray dogs, avara dogs, life without modern gadgets. Okay, life without modern gadgets, obesity among school children. So being a 18 joys and responsibilities, so let's we will understand which points we will mention. Being 18 joys and responsibilities. Okay, so an adult is able to participate in shaping destiny of the nation. Adult is able to participate, so it's mandatory and necessary for an adult. Okay, an adolescent can evade blame by blaming the parents. Okay, and third one, he and she should be careful in what he and she does. And fourth one, act in a mature manner. Okay, joys and responsibility, act you are act mature manner. A better life after 18th birthday. Okay, in better life. Okay, so fifth point, we will mention or we will write is a better life after 18th birthday. So we will elaborate some points. My 18th birthday will be a water seed event for me. My 18th birthday means we will enjoy. Okay, so I will I will now be able to participate in shaping the destiny of the nation. I will participate in destiny of the nation. Okay, because I can be enrolled as a voter now. I will also be considered as an adult whenever I completed 18 years. So definitely I consider as an adult. Okay, which will make me behave responsibly. So definitely we are doing or we are behave maturely, as I will be fully responsible for my any actions. Okay, so definitely I completed 18 years, so I am fully mature and I will take responsible responsible action. Earlier as a child or an adolescent, I could always evade blame for any wrong action of mine by blaming the influence of my parent or elder siblings. Okay, and however now I have to be careful in what I do in it in a mature manner. So it's depend a lot what I am doing my mature life and mature manner. Okay, I do it in a mature manner. Of course there are many joys in crossing this barrier. Joys are crossing many barriers. I can take the test for converting my learner's driving license into a regular one, so that I can use my father's car when I required. Whenever I mature, so definitely I will use my father's car required whenever I require. So definitely I can use my father's car when required. This will also help me in handling emergencies in which someone knowing car driving is needed. On the whole, so I will enjoy a better life after my 18th birthday. Means joys and responsibilities according to requirement or according to our needs. So definitely we are take help whenever I mature and mature manners. I do act like mature, I do and act in a mature manner. And third question, means of stray dogs है ना. Okay, means of stray dogs. Okay, so stray dogs are a nuisance. Public issues are still not taken care. Okay, public issues, some public issues. Main point, stray dogs pose a source of danger to all people. Stray dogs always, stray dog always a danger for all common people, especially the children and old people, especially for children and old people. Dogs are not vaccinated. So now you can see, or you can nowadays, stray dogs not properly vaccinated. Okay, stray dogs not properly vaccinated. Okay, not vaccinated. No action is taken by authorities. Uh, we could say no action is taken by any authorities for stray dogs. Okay, suggestions: municipality should make stray dog shelters, regular checks should be carried out, vaccines research should continue. So authorities, so vaccines research should continue, regular checks should be carried out. Okay, regular should be carried out. Okay, so these points are your mentions of stray dogs. Okay, the old man in our neighborhood was bitten by stray dogs. Okay, so old man is neighborhood, my neighborhood is bitten by stray dog. Okay, incident and newspaper reports on this issue have drawn my extreme concern on the means of stray dogs, whose number has been unprecedented rise. Okay, unprecedented rise nowadays, an unprecedented rise. Okay, our country is developing at a fast pace, but basic issue like this are not taken care. Okay, but basic issues that not taken care. There are numerous stray dogs in almost every lane in stray. So a lot of dogs are every street road. Okay, lane and street, they pose a source of danger to all people. The most vulnerable being children and old people. The stray dog are not vaccinated, stray dogs not vaccinated, and their bite can be even proved to be fatal despite repeated complaints to the concerned authorities. No action taken to tackle the means of stray dogs. Okay, so is the concerned authorities or any authorities not taken steps. Okay, not taken is any kind of step. I would like to suggest certain ways to overcome this problem. So my suggestion to any authorities, municipality should make stray dog shelters so that these animals get a place to live in. Regular checks should be carried out. Okay, regular checks should be carried out on streets and colonies to ensure that the dangerous dogs are not wandering around. Okay, dangerous dogs are not wandering around here and there. Okay, lane or stray road. Sterilization of the before this problem gets grimmer, it is imperative that the municipal authorities and animal welfare societies work together to address this problem. Okay, so municipality and any authorities and work together, so definitely we are remove this kind of problem nowadays. Okay, and we are living free and without any tension. Life without modern gadgets. Okay, so we will understand, and let's how many point you are mentioned or right. Today we are totally dependent on modern gadgets. So friends, ki today we are depend modern gadgets. Okay, totally depend everything from manufacturing to tiny needle to high advanced space technology. So high advanced technology nowadays, we are using high advanced technology. And third one is done through complex machinery. Okay, today it would become hard and less efficient to do even a small task due to over dependence on machines. The new generation is physically unfit. So we can say that, so new generation is totally depend on gadgets. Okay, physically unfit. So that's why our new generation is totally or physically unfit. Life without modern gadgets. Okay, so let's uh, elaborate. Okay, life of our ancestors must have been tough, as everything was done by hand or tools that were not efficient enough. Today we are totally dependent on modern day gadgets. Okay, totally we are living new era, so we are depend totally on modern gadgets, and there is no part of our lives that is left untouched by this gadgets have made our life simpler and easier. Okay, modern gadgets are our life is make simpler and easier. Okay, everything from manufacturing is a tiny needle to highly advanced space technology. Okay, highly advanced technology we are using is done through the complex machinery, and through the complex machinery it will not be out of the place to say that today life will come to stand still of the gadgets are taken away from even a moment. Life without machines would be like returning to the stone age. One can't even imagine hard and less efficient to do even a small task is a simple is getting hard task or bigger task we will complete within a second or within a time with the others. Okay, consequently human health is a deteriorate to the great extent. Means human health has a deteriorated to the great extent due to over dependence of machines as a new generation or new era. So totally over dependence on machines or new gadgets. New generation is, so I would like to say, new generation is totally or physically unfit. Life without modern gadgets will be unthinkable. Without gadgets we are unthinkable, but we will be a much fitter human race. Obesity among school children. So child obesity, one of the most serious health challenges. Okay, serious health challenges. Obesity is defined as the abnormal or excessive fat accumulation or serious health challenge. Okay, serious health challenge. It is attributed to junk food. Accompanied with this, the lack of exercise. Obesity leads to many diseases breathing difficulty, increased risk of fractures, hypertension, etc. Prevention is easy, okay, and low calories and mild exercise intake. Mild exercise. So important point is that serious issue. Obesity is abnormal accumulation, junk food, and lack of exercise. Lack of obesity leads to many diseases. Breathing difficulty, increased risk of fractures, hypertension, increase very highly, too much increase hypertension. Prevention, so we should take any step. So prevention is easy, low calories and mild exercise intake, okay. So obesity among school children, childhood. Obesity is one of the most serious public health challenges of the 21st century. Obesity is a defined, what are defined abnormal excessive fat accumulation, is a lot of fat accumulation that may be impair health. This fat accumulation can be attribute to the junk food, okay, attribute to the junk food, which has a high calories content, okay, we are consume or we are eating high calorie content. Modern day children don't like to eat the health food cooked at a home. Instead they prefer a treat for their taste buds, okay. Their taste buds get drenched and the calories consumption shoots through the roof. Accompanied with this is the lack of exercise, and this is the lack of exercise, children are left with the title. Lifestyle of the children is also be blamed for this situation. Lifestyle of the children blamed for this situation, okay, what's going on our situation, है ना. And exercise or playing outdoors after school and coaching classes. Obesity leads to many diseases. Children obesity is associated with a higher chance or premature death and disability. Okay, death and disability and adulthood. But addition to increased future risk. What is addiction? Increased our future risk. Obese children experience breathing difficulties, increased risk of fractures, hypertension, early onset of the cardiovascular disease. Okay, cardiovascular disease, and prevention is a pretty easy. Is a one idioms. Prevention is better than cure. So prevention is a pretty easy. It's a very easy. Low calories intake and mild exercise can show many trips to the doctors. Trips to the doctors. So you are mentioned some important points. So long composition. So we will finish here only, and we will meet next video.